Today we're gonna be building a solar system. First, you're gonna need a blackboard, a sun, and Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, and stars. Hi, my name is Sanvi, and for my the system I chose for my system project is a solar system. So how we made it is we took a lamp, like a paper lamp, and we painted it yellow. There's a light under it so it can make it glow. Here is Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Then we got a plate so the sun could sit on the plate while it rotates. We used like a disco light to make it spin, and we used like wires to make we used wires to hold the planets, and we used a whole like steel plate so we could put the planets through, and this is how it looks like. When it's rotating. There wouldn't be any heat or light, and we need heat to survive because heat helps plants grow and plants produces oxygen, and we need oxygen to breathe. Well, it's a gravitational like pull. It makes sure the planets don't just like sucks in, and the planets orbit around it slowly. Then all the planets will drift away and there won't be any solar system.
Okay.
And the Earth wouldn't be close. If the Earth drifts away, we would all die. Well, then there won't be any days, nights, seasons, or gravitational force. And if there wasn't any gravitational force, we would just float away.